We're still locked in, and I'm still, frankly, judging you all. Tonight, I'm going to teach you how to make a proper martini. Once again, this is a drink that is not shaken, regardless of what you may have seen in movies. This is a drink where cold is everything. I start by pouring water and ice into my martini glasses. This simply chills the glassware. Then I take my delightful shaker and I pour in somewhere around 5 excellent ice cubes. Solid, no chips. This is very important. We then move on to the ever popular Bombay Sapphire. You can use Bombay Sapphire, you can use Tanqueray, you can use other gin. Don't use cheap shit. If it's not good enough to drink, it's not good enough to cook with. Traditionally, 3 shots of gin per adult. And then 1 shot of dry vermouth per adult. Vermouth is a fortified wine. It's also very cheap and often drank on the rocks by itself through a straw. Observe my bar spoon. This spoon is special. It will allow us to stir without chipping the ice, which is incredibly important. If you shake this ice, you are simply having watered down gin, and nobody has time for that, ever. So very gently stir, very, very gently stir. You'll see the delightful condensation forming. This is a good sign. In the meantime, I'm now going to throw out this, and I will have nice cold glasses. 1 last stir. Very careful not to have in any way chipped ice. And you'll notice it pours like thick honey. There are 3 basic ways of garnishing this. The first is, I think, the best, which is a twist of lemon. I like my twists very, very neat, so I like to tidy them up. Just a touch. And when I twist, I want to get the lemon oil to express onto the surface of the drink. And I drop that in. That's the basic martini. Now, if you add, and I'm going to do this to 1, 30 milliliters of Chombard, you have yourself a Gothic Martini and a delightful evening in. Behold, the correct way to make a martini.